Sorry, I'm looking at my notes. Everyone is recording. You are recording. You are recording. Jack, are you recording? Okay. Jack, where was I? Oh, yes. The students' drawings who took my class made me fall in love with what I was teaching to them. Continuous contour drawing. I guess before I was looking at continuous contour drawing only as a practice tool, but using the restrictions that come with continuous contour drawing to create helped me come up with no effort sketch journaling. So this is why I use continuous contour drawing for no effort sketch journaling. For the speed and for the chance of ending up with something new, something unexpected. But this is not all the benefit. Continuous contour drawing is a great exercise to teach yourself that hand-eye coordination, which is crucial for getting better at drawing. Seeing versus looking. To be able to draw, you have to see your subject. See the details, see the lines, see the differences, see the textures. Just looking is not enough. And when you do continuous contour, you are combining the seeing with the movement of your hand. You move your hand at the same speed and direction as your eyes. Your eyes are tracking the lines of your subject, and your hands move the pen on the paper the same way to trace out your subject on the paper. Now let's try to do that with this example. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I have this image. Let's imagine I'm out in a coffee shop. This is one of my favorite coffee shops. It's called Pareosup, and I will, as I was there and I actually did this drawing, so I wanted to repeat the real life situation with you. This was the photo I took. I'm doing a series from the coffee shops I visit called Cafe Portraits. So I'm trying to capture like kind of a portrait photo of a cafe, whatever that might be. Sometimes it's a corner, sometimes it's the where they make coffee, sometimes it's from outside. Sometimes they have very nice shop fronts. So in that series, when I go to coffee shops, I did this, I think, last Friday or the Friday before, and I will be doing continuous contour drawing of this scene. Okay, let's start. I'm choosing this table, it's quite in the center as my starting point, and I don't worry too much about where I'm going to end up. I will write date and place on the top left, and I will leave space here for some writing for the title. So I'm starting from here. I put my pen down, and now I'm tracing the table with my eyes. I'm not lifting my pen. I see the leg is going down like that. And in the meantime, it's touching here to the chair. Chair is going further down because it's closer to me. And this leg is also closer to me. There's this kind of a shape here. Over there, actually there's something, but I'm not bothered with that. Something like I can see the cushion on another chair, I think. And by the way, I'm doing a little bit slower than usual because I'm trying to narrate what I'm doing for you. But normally this should be done quickly. Like I said, don't think too much. This is not supposed to look like anything. This scene gives us a starting point, and with that we end up with something else. Okay, and this part is done. And from here, as you can see, I haven't lifted up my pen yet. Over here there is a wall, and next to the wall over here I see nice looking lamp. And sorry, I had to lift my pen up because my watch was buzzing, my jump was over. If you don't know what jump is, check out my jump class. And I will focus on this right hand side now. This goes all the way to the same level. I will just focus on this coat hanger here. I will bring it all the way. Don't worry about making all the details. Try to do them quickly.